Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, join the family. But today is a testing and reviewing video, and I'm so excited because I have been wanting to try this brand for the longest time, and it's not any brand. It's been created by none other than one of my biggest inspirations, Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga is an inspiration when it comes to music, songwriting, just artistry in general. She is a true artist and probably one of the most talented human beings on this planet right now. And of course I was extra excited to know that she was developing a whole makeup brand, and I've been so eager to test and try it and let you guys know if it's worth your money, if it's as good as the hype claims it to be, and all that jazz. So let's get straight into unboxing the gorgeous packages that her and her team have kindly sent me, which that in itself is kind of mind-blowing. And when I got that DM, not gonna lie, I screamed. So I'm not 100% sure on what actually I've been sent. I have this gorgeous kind of prism box here that of course says Haus Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's brand. I know that she's had her kind of House of Gaga empire for a while. I know that that's kind of what she calls her team as well. So I guess it just makes sense for her to name her makeup brand Haus Laboratories too. She's just so beautiful. I feel like we're extra connected to Lady Gaga this year as well because of A Star Is Born. Like, how insane was that? I went to the cinema 3 times I think to watch it and cried my eyes out. Even more every single time. By the way, if you're looking at my teeth and you're like, what's going on there? I covered one of my teeths. I covered a tooth in diamonds, as you do. I actually showed how I did it on my last video, which was a hair transformation kind of weekend at home vlog thing. So check that out if you haven't already, but let's get back to this. So of course I will swatch every shade of lipstick for you in a classic CC lip tutorial. We also have, so we have 6 lip liners. It looks like we have 6 lip products. And then what are these? And then we have 6 liquid eyeshadows. And I have got another package which arrived today. So weird because I knew I was filming this today and I got a little kind of holiday gift delivery from the team. It says, CC, we created this collection of cosmic love to amplify the feelings of the season and take festive to the next level. It looks so beautiful as well, the way that it's kind of wrapped up. Oh, I can't get enough of all of these visuals. So we have like an eyeshadow palette, it seems, which is like perfect neutrals and dark shades, which I like, and a couple of shimmers. What do we have in here? Oh, she's just so beautiful. Oh yeah, so they are liquid eyeshadows, and then we've also got liquid eyeliners as well. Okay, so now I know that we can create an eye look and obviously swatch all of the lip products. But I guess I need to do my base first. So I'll be right back with my foundation base and obviously contour and eyebrows done. See you in a sec. Okay, I'm back and I have my base all done. Loving it, I have to say. I've used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in shade 230N. And I've also used my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced in the shade Almond. And then for contour, I've used my Nude Sticks Bondi Bay contour stick. And then what else? Of course, Laura Mercier translucent powder for baking, and butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. These are products that I've used many times, but I know what it's like when you're watching a tutorial. You kind of want to know what people have used, don't you? So I'm just helping you out. And we've also used the Smashbox Shine Like the Star You Are, and I've used a mixture of these shades, which are so gorgeous, for like blush and highlight. And it's created this kind of glowy base. and these are the shades. We are all set in terms of our base, ready to get snatched with our Haus Laboratories. So first I was thinking, let's swatch all of the colours of the liquid eyeshadows up my arm, because realistically I'm not going to be able to show you all of these in an eye look. So I do want to experiment with all of the colours. So first up we have the shade Glam Attack. Wow. Forgive me, this shade is actually called Aphrodite, but it's the liquid eyeshadow range, which is called Glam Attack, I think. And this one, oh my gosh, this one is called Rose Bitch. Nikki Tutorials actually said that these are some of her favourite liquid eyeshadows she's ever tried. Nikki's obviously a huge expert when it comes to beauty, so the fact that she has said that, I mean, she wasn't lying, let's put it that way. This one is called Legend. Now we have the shade Dynasty. Oh my gosh. The shade Biker. Oh, that's a bit wobbly. Oh, sorry about that swatch. Oh, I'd say that's my least favourite shade. Oh, wow, that's intensely pigmented. This one is called Chained Ballerina. I'm just going to swipe the holiday collection here. Wow. Yeah, that is thicker, that's beautiful. That's called Chains. Then we have Gunmetal. Oh my gosh. That actually is beautiful. And this is the shade Retro. That is just so beautiful. Gaga, you did that! I think this might be the one I use, you know. Oh, they're all so gorgeous. Oh wow, look at these ones, they've like dried down and I was gonna say don't budge, but that black one hadn't dried yet, idiot. I think I'm gonna go for the gold, and I didn't tell you the colour of that, I'm so sorry. The colour of that last one is called Glamourpuss. So I think I'm gonna go for Chains and Glamourpuss. Let's also swatch these eyeliners to just see how fine, oh, they are. That is very pigmented. This is called Liquid Eye Lie, like lying, eyeliner. Matter Than Matte liquid eyeliner, and this is the shade Punk. This is the shade Whiskey. It's got a gorgeous brown undertone, still very dark, but I do like a little brown liner, you know. This lipstick is also screaming lip tutorial at me, but we will do the lip tutorials and swatch all of the glosses towards the end, and I'll also show you the lip liner shades on my arm as well. Also, before we get stuck in, I just want to show you the face laces that Gaga's created. So this just makes having a really creative look easy, because these are stickers that you peel off and stick on, and apparently it's as easy as that. She's even got little eye flicks for us for when we're in a rush or for when we can't even do them. My aim is to create a gorgeous look that you can take as inspiration for this holiday season. So even though this is trying and testing and reviewing, I want this to end up looking good. Right, now I'm incredibly drawn to this look that Gaga is rocking here. I did just do a tutorial with a red lip, so perhaps we'll take inspiration from the eyes, and the final result we can perhaps do like a sparkly nude lip. But what I'm actually going to start off with is the liquid eyeshadow in the colour Chains, which is the really intense gold. And we're just going to paint this on my lid really, because I want to go for something that is a little bit more editorial than what I would usually do. I'm going to paint it on. Oh wow. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to like blend it out a bit. It loses its sparkle a bit the more that really makes my blue eyes pop too. Now I'm going to take some of this red shade, put it in the crease. Kind of look like a clown, don't I? When it comes to eye makeup, I like to do things quite quickly. I like them to look like I've spent hours, but actually I haven't. So I'm just blending that out. They're very gorgeous and buttery to work with. They don't like dry down and go crusty. I'm gonna kind of wing it out as well beyond my eyelid space. Take it into that inner corner. That is just so beautiful. I'm just going to even up the other eye. So I'm going to go into my inner corners with Aphrodite. I'm really enjoying working with these liquid shadows. Maybe I'll try a little bit of Glam Attack, which is the really dark black colour. It just blends like butter. I've never experienced liquid eyeshadow like this. It's not cracking so far. I do feel like I want the eyelids to be a bit more shimmery, so I'm going to go in with the shade Legend, which is slightly more liquidy and thin. And I'm going to pat this over the eye. Actually, I'm going to use the same brush. Oh, these all layer beautifully on top of each other. Wow. Metallic Dreams. I don't want to kind of disturb the metallic look too much, but I do want to try out the black shade in this palette. I don't know if I regret that. I'll do it to the other eye, but I think I need to just go in with liquid. Shall we? I mean, why not? That's insane. I am beyond shook by how easy and effective and realistic looking that is. 2 perfect wings and they're stuck on. This is a game changer for anyone that struggles with their flicks, and of course you can just go over it with the liquid liner, connect any bits that need filling in slightly. I like to go my waterline nowadays as well. I'm going to use a little bit more of that black shade to just smoke underneath my lash line. Totally and utterly obsessed. I'm just going to pop a little lash on. I'm going to use the Miami Lily Lashes. Oh my gosh, I've realised I've not put mascara on. I'm just using the Lily Lashes mascara, which I really like. I wonder if this sticker would start peeling off. It does have a very strong adhesive on the back, but I mean, I don't think there's any reason why it would peel off. I've not worn Miami lashes in the longest time. They're probably my favourite lashes ever. Okay, so eyes are complete. I am absolutely just so in love with the formulas, with the finished result. Now let's move on to the lips. What I'm going to do is swatch all of the liners on my arm for you. We can decide what ones to use in the tutorials. I am going to swatch all of the lip glosses in tutorial form because I'm just lipstick obsessed, and you guys know that, and I know that you love my lip tutorials. So let's get straight into seeing what those lip liners are saying. First things first, I'm obsessed with the simple yet gorgeous design of these lip liners. This shade is RIP lip liner in the shade Myth. So this, oh wow, creamier than I thought they would be. Much creamier. I thought they'd be a little bit more stiff like MAC liners, but I am mistaken. And then we have the shade Rule. They are so buttery. And this is the shade Drag. This is the shade Ride. This is Slayer. Oh wow, so rich. And then here we have, oh, that's a nice nude. Sorry, these swatches are dreadful. This is the shade On Point, which is definitely a gorgeous nude. These are all the liners. I'm actually going to swatch the lip glosses on their own first, and then I'm going to come back and do a final killer combination. Okay, so I just wanted to intervene here because This always happens with darker shades. So they were all going on beautifully, but the darker shades just go a bit more streaky. And I feel like, so far, my overall opinion of these glosses are that they're very thick. They pull the lips, they don't glide on very easily. They don't have any smell. I quite enjoy a tasty scent when it comes to lip glosses, that's my preference. But I do feel like this would be paired beautifully with a lip liner. But we're not finished yet. I'm gonna come in with an OG combination. I just wanted to let you know my first impressions of the gloss, and this is probably my least favourite shade on its own. I would never wear this on its own, but the others are gorgeous. Let's finish off with a final look, whatever that's gonna be, and wrap this video up with final thoughts.
This is all I ever dreamed of. This is all I ever wanted. Baby, you and I so real, yeah. The kind of stuff that you can plan, yeah. This thing we got is, I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
And voila, oh my word. I'm a little shook right now, I can't lie. Changed my mind about the glosses as well. I adore them over the lip liners. I just feel like the dark one I still need to experiment with, but this one specifically is so beautiful. The whole look is just perfect for New Year's or the holidays, whatever you're doing. Let me zoom you in so we can appreciate this. I love the lips. Makes my lips look so juicy, doesn't it, this combination? And I love the little kind of K Korean makeup inspired thing I went for on my lips, you know what I mean? I was about to say K-pop, but the last time I said that in a caption, I got trolled. They're like, K-pop's music, and I knew that that's what it was, but what I meant was Korean popsicle lips, and I shortened it to K-pop lips, and everyone went berserk. But I'm an ARMY, by the way, if you didn't know. Then you should know, because on Instagram I'm always using BTS songs because I'm obsessed with BTS. So yes, if you're an ARMY, comment below. Lady Gaga, thank you for making my face look like this. So final verdict, I'm kind of in love, guys. Of course, Lady Gaga has my heart, and she's stolen it even more with her fabulous creations. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you're going to be trying any of her products. Let me know what else you'd like me to try, or any other videos. Of course, there's a giveaway for every video at the moment. So be sure to enter, just follow the rules below in the description box, and a bundle of makeup that I feature on my stories on Instagram. Maybe yours. Also, there's a few winners that haven't contacted me yet, so be sure to check the description boxes of the previous videos, because, you know, I'm waiting to send you some goodies. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, it helps me out so much and makes me love you 10 times more. Let's have a little chat in the comments section, and I'll see you on my next one, my beauties, on Sunday. So Sundays and Wednesdays is what I'm aiming for at the moment. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.